Now, let's talk about blueberries because you do need to consider the variety, especially for blueberries. There are blueberries that do not like the heat and some that do better with the heat. So any of the southern varieties, so like this blueberry collection here. Now, blueberries do not like our soil because our soil is very alkaline and they like acidic soil. So with blueberries especially, we grow them inside of smart pots. So a 20-gallon smart pot, and then you can use this soil acidifier here to adjust the pH of the soil in just that smart pot. So that's the biggest thing with blueberries is they do take a different type of soil, and you really don't have to worry about this with most anything else. Tomatoes like a little bit of acidic soil too, but blueberries are really the biggest ones you've got to worry about with this.
Now, blueberries are great, of course, just right. But we actually add blueberries a lot to like our oatmeal and smoothies, things like that. It's really good.